Hello, good day everyone. I'm Imadi Sparta Utama from Udayana University of Bali. I would like to present the result of my study entitled Developing Agriculture Value Chain Inclusive for Small-Scale Vegetable Farmers in the Highland of Bedugul, Bali. We all know that Bali is just a small island, but Bali is well known as one of the best tourist destinations in the world before the pandemic COVID-19. In 2018, about 15.8 million tourists coming to Bali consists of 6.07 million foreigners and 9 of 76 million domestic. And because of the significant number tourists coming to Bali, the production orientation in the agriculture sector then changed toward the consumer value, which developed in the institutional consumer as well as modern retail market. However, until now, there's a continuing debate in Bali that the tourism does not give a significant contribution to the farming community in Bali. Therefore, in 2018, the governor of Bali released the regulation number 99 about the marketing and utilization of local Balinese product. The regulation aims to increase the accessibility of the agriculture local products to the institutional consumers and modern market. But the question is that to what extent the production and the supply chain of the local product have already value oriented in meeting the value required by the institutional consumers and modern market. Therefore, the objective of this study is to assess the value orientation of distribution channel of vegetable produce in the highland of Bedugul, Bali, and to develop a model design value chains which is inclusive for the small-scale farmer in order to improve the value orientation. This study was conducted in 2019, focused on 4 different types of vegetables, namely tomato, chili, cabbage, and lettuce. First, I identified the distribution channel for the 4 different types of vegetable in general, and then drew up the map of the channels. The work was continued with the analysis of the channels for their strength, value orientation using 8 criteria developed by Collins. You can see in the right side of the slide 8 different criteria developed by Collins to analyze the strengthness of the value orientation of the distribution channel. In the box below, there are different categories of the strengthness of value orientation of the distribution channel based on the total level score of value orientation. And the last was to develop a model of alternative value chain design to improve value orientation, especially a value chain connected to the final market of institutional consumer and modern market. From this study, it was found that there are 5 different group of distribution channel. For the first group, grower connect directly to supermarket, institutional consumers, and even door-to-door sale to urban consumers. The second group, grower connect to the local traditional or sub-district wholesale market, and then connect to the city collector, then the products headed to the traditional urban market and institutional consumers. And the third group, grower connect to the local collectors as a supplier, and then the supplier supply the product to supermarket, institutional consumer, as well as the local traditional market for especially the rejected product. And the fourth group, grower connect to the local collectors, then to the wholesale market, and then from the wholesale market connected to the city collectors, and finally to the end market. And the fifth group, grower connect to the local collector, then to city collector, and further connected to the end market. From the assessment of the 5 group of distribution channel, we found that the distribution channel group 2 and group 4, the total value orientation were the same 11, while the total value orientation of the group 5 was 15. This means that the value orientation of the 3 distribution channels are still weak. But in contrast, we found that the value orientation of groups 1 and 3 are 26 and 28 respectively. These two groups indeed have much stronger value orientation than the previous three groups. In the focus group discussion, the participants have agreed that the dominant, about 75%, the vegetable flow to the traditional distribution channel and only 25% through the value-oriented channels. Therefore, in general, we can say that the current production and supply chain system of vegetable produced in the Bedugul area are still weak to fulfill the value required by institutional consumers and modern market. Therefore, it is essential need to transform the traditional agriculture system in MOS to be a value-oriented system. Here is a simple frame of value chain model design with the flow together in the focus group discussion. The basic concept is how to bring the consumer close to the producer or farmers. When we talk about the close to the producer or farmer, it doesn't mean that the producer has to be able to deliver a product to the consumer, as we know that the producer or farmers in Bali is a small scale farmers. They don't have enough capacity to provide the facilities, the infrastructure, and the logistic as well. So that's why we prefer to put intermediary in the middle to bridge the producer to the consumer. The intermediary has to willing to work together with the supporting farmers in the collaborative ways. So when we talk about the value activity, there are main value activities in this system. So the main value activity can be performed smoothly when supported by the support value activity. So we call here supporting system. Let's say in the production, the supporting system with the support value activity, the simple thing that how to provide the seedling, how to provide the fertilizer, how to provide the pesticide and etc. Many things value activity will be required to make the main value activity in the production perform smoothly. This simple frame of the value chain model system we developed to make easy to be understood by all parties involved in the focus group discussion. So we come up with the conclusion. There are 5 group vegetable distribution channel produced in the Bedugul area of Bali. 3 channels groups are weak in the value orientation. 2 other channels groups are strong value oriented, which producer connect directly to or via local collectors, act as supplier to the higher level market of institutional consumer and model retail market. The design value chain model suitable for Bali is by bringing the value consumer closer to the production, since the producer are small-scale farmers involving an intermediary or supplier to work collaboratively with the supporting farmer in value creation is necessary. Thank you.